We want to differentiate y is equal to e to the x log 3x. Once again, we have a product. So we need to identify a u and a v, and here we'll say that u is equal to e to the x and v is equal to the log of 3x. So du dx is e to the x, and use the chain rule to find dv dx. We differentiate the outside function, the log, as if the inside function is just x, giving us 1 over 3x, then multiply by the differential of the inside function. The 3's cancel, so we get 1 over x. dy dx for a product then is given by v times du dx, so that's e to the x log 3x, plus u dv dx, which is e to the x over x. We have finished differentiating, but we might tidy, although this isn't strictly speaking necessary in this case. We have a common factor of e to the x, and in the bracket we'll have log 3x plus 1 over x. Of course, this isn't the only way of tidying, but it's one way. Usually if you're asked to tidy after differentiating, you'll be given an expression which is your target to rearrange to.